Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about serous otitis media, also known as glue or the secretory otitis media. So the first thing we need to understand is that it is the collection of sterile fluid in the middle layer. Mind you, it is the sterile fluid. If it would be infective fluid, it would be suppurative otitis media. So this is the first thing we need to understand. The other thing we need to understand is its causes. So it is due to obstruction of eustachian tube. Now the another main important thing is that this eustachian tube obstruction must not be an infective cause. Means there may be a decreased drainage of eustachian tube that may be leading to serous otitis media. So let's understand what are non-infective causes that obstruct the eustachian tube. So if it is a child, there may be adenoids that are hypertrophying. Since adenoids are bilateral, it will lead to a bilateral otitis media. So adenoid hypertrophy will lead to a bilateral serous otitis media. Whereas if we consider an adult, since these adenoids are resolved after 20 years, means these regress, so these will not be a cause that we should think in the case of an adult. So in adults there is generally a unilateral mass within the nasopharynx that may be a cause. So when we think of an adult and we see that it is a unilateral case of serous otitis media, it may be a nasopharyngeal cancer. And if it is a bilateral case in adults, we should rule out allergy. So these are the causes of decreased eustachian tube, decreased drainage through eustachian tube. So in children, we will look for an adenoid hypertrophy, and in adult, if it is a unilateral case of SOM, we will look for nasopharyngeal carcinoma, and if it is a bilateral case, we will look for an allergy. The other causes that may be leading to a serous otitis media may be interference of a physiological opening. Now we all know that tensor villi palatini muscle, that is a muscle that helps in opening of the eustachian tube, may be affected in many conditions. These conditions involve cleft palate and palatal palsy. So in conditions like cleft palate and palatal palsy, these two conditions may lead to decreased opening of the eustachian tube, hence obstructing the drainage of eustachian tube, leading to collection of fluid within the middle layer.